Hey LA Weekly, Yunnie Kim from Kimchi Avocado here. Today I'm making my take on a Brazilian moqueca stew. Here's what we're gonna be using today for my take on Brazilian moqueca stew. We're gonna use some canned coconut milk, some canned lump crab meat, some cilantro, scallions, some shallots and garlic, a red and yellow bell pepper, some cherry tomatoes, and some lime zest and juice. One of the things I love about making this recipe right now is that all of the ingredients are things that are either pantry staples in our household or things that can live in the refrigerator and stay fresh for quite some time, especially if you store them properly. So cilantro is one of my main ingredients in this recipe. If you store cilantro in water and cover it with a plastic bag, it'll stay fresh in the refrigerator for a minimum 1 week. I do the same for the scallions. I just put the roots in water and I just trim off the top and use the green parts. Okay, so let's get started. I heated up a pan with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm gonna add the shallots and the garlic first. So after the shallots and garlic start to get translucent, I'm gonna add the peppers, red and yellow. And I'm gonna add the scallions. And then I'll add the tomatoes. I'm gonna season with some salt and pepper. And then I'm gonna zest some lime and put in the lime juice. You want to make sure when you're zesting the lime that you don't go past the white pith. You just want the green. Okay, now we're going to add in the lime juice. Now we're going to add in the coconut milk. So after the coconut milk, I'm gonna add my canned crab meat. This is one of those things you never realized you needed as a canned food staple until you start having it as a canned food staple in your house. But I end up using it for tons of dishes like crab fried rice, for dips, for this Brazilian moqueca stew. And it lasts for quite some time in the refrigerator, so it's nice to have around. So you just want to get this mixed up really well, and then we're gonna add the last ingredient, which is the cilantro. Okay, there's the finished product. We're ready to plate. And there is the Brazilian moqueca stew.